The main body of the narrative will run via Facebook like pages. I have created the central project page, the #life. The About section includes relative information about the series and instructions for the viewers to follow. Information about how to access the main website and other associated social media is also present here. I can utilise the invite friends function of the like page to maximise exposure and gain viewership. Regular story updates will be posted here. And the higher this number gets, the more credibility the series will receive. I will act as the controller of all of the character like pages. Introducing you to Soph, we can see how the About section gives us an idea about her character and also relevant links to the central web page. Again, I can utilise the invite function to ensure that Soph's posts are not missed by the viewing audience. Each character will be able to upload content which is important to telling their part of the story. The tagging and hashtag function will keep the pages and audience connected. Because this central like page has already been set up, we can demonstrate this tagging process here. It is important that the correct name is entered when tagging these statuses. Once the story content has been posted, it is viewable on the characters page. My personal account has already liked Soph's page, which is why we can see this test post appears in my newsfeed. By clicking the #life tag, we enter into a filter whereby all posts including this tag can be seen in a list, making the story easy to decipher by the viewing audience. All posts will include this hashtag, making this like a catch-up newsfeed. The first post made will be to encourage the viewer to go to the main webpage. For now, I will demonstrate by accessing it from here. This mock-up landing page includes instructions to the viewer to untag me. By clicking, they are invited into the story. This links to the most important source of information, which will be Sophie's blog. This will be key for piecing together information about the characters and the general narrative. We now know more about our first character and that she went to Scott Comprehensive School. By clicking the link to the school, the viewer is taken to another Facebook like page. Investigating this like page, they will find the next character involved in the #life. Andy has made a post and tagged the school from his own profile page. By clicking on him, we now find out more about Andy and the role he has to play. Now we have connected the audience to the characters by them liking their pages, their posts will appear in their main newsfeed. By including character tags in each character's individual posts, this creates an online conversation between the cast members. The audience is now able to build up a picture about where, what and who they are and how they interact with each other in order to build up a story. In this simple example, we can see Andy tag Freya and ask her a question, "Where are you?" By clicking onto Freya's profile, we can see that the question has been answered by viewing her check-in status update. To summarise the cross-platform networks, we have the main hub website which links to Sophie's blog, the #life like page which will be used as a marketing and advertising tool, individual character profiles as well as fictional places relevant to the story, and a hub of information about the characters and the role that they have to play within the story on the main hub website. Twitter will also play a role once the story is better established. Once the pages have been liked by the audience members, they will subconsciously or consciously be aware of the story's goings-on, because once posts are made from each of the characters, they will appear on the main newsfeed. Here's a stream of example feeds and how the viewers can comment, share, or like the post to have an active involvement within the main story.